Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 5 Cumulative Assessment Travel. In its project description, you are the manager of an information technology IT team. Your employees go to training, workshop and national conference to keep up to date in the field. You created a list of expenses by category for each employee for the last 6 months. Now you want to do subtotal the data to review total cost by employee and then create a pivot table to look at the data from different perspectives. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel. Download open file Excel Exp22 Excel chapter 5 cumulative assessment travel. I have already opened this file. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business finance, business and accounting, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in Canvas course, Pearson Plus course, Cengage course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the barcode in the start of the video and at the end of the video to get access into my inbox of the WhatsApp. We will move to our second step. Before using the subtotal command, you must first sort the data. On the subtotal worksheet, sort the data by employee and further sort by category, both in alphabetical order. So we will go to the subtotal worksheet. That is our subtotal worksheet, but we need to sort the data by both employee, data by employee and category. So we will select employee, then add a second sort by category in alphabetical order and press OK. So we have sorted our data according to category and employee in the alphabetical order. So that's our second step. Our third step is you want to subtotal the data to calculate expense by employee. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by employees to calculate the total expense by employee. So we will go to the subtotal. We will go to the data tab. Here in the subtotal, insert subtotal rows by employee to calculate the total expense by employee. So here we will select the sum total expense by employee and press OK, and we have got total expense by. Use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by employee to calculate the total expense by employee. So we will press Ctrl Z. We will go to the control subtotal expense by rows by employee. We will make here employee and make the calculate the total expense by employee. Here we will make it an expense and make this one as a sum and press OK. So we have got our results. Now we have applied subtotal by employee to calculate total expense by employee. That's our third step. Our fourth step is now you want to hide the detail of the two employees and focus on the detail of the remaining employee. Collapse the Davidson and Miller section to show only their subtotal. So we will collapse Davidson and Miller section. So we will go, that is our Davidson and Miller, that is our Miller section. We have collapsed both sections, Davidson and Miller. Leave the other employee individual rows displayed. So other are now displayed. We have Davidson and Miller collapse. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is for more detailed analysis, you are ready to create a pivot table. Use the expense worksheet to create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet name as a summary. We will copy this. We will go to the expenses worksheet, that is our expenses worksheet. We will go to the insert tab. Here in the recommended table, we will insert a blank pivot table and make the sheet name as a summary. We will copy this again and paste it as a summary. Name the pivot table as a categories. We will rename this one table as a category. Name this as a categories and enter. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is you want to include the category and expense field in the pivot table. Use the category and expense field, enabling Excel to determine where the field go in the pivot table. So you will just select the category and expense field, select these. So no need to select and go drag down this one, just click here, so Excel will decide where it will go. So that's our sixth step. Our seventh step is you want to display average expense instead of total. Modify the value field to determine the average expense by category and change the custom name average expenses. So we will go to the expenses. Here we will make it as a average expenses and make this one name as a average expense and press OK. So we have got the average of expenses. That's our seventh step. Format the value with the accounting number formats. So in this we need to go to the number format and accounting number with the and press OK and OK. So we have got accounting number format in the average expenses. So that's our eighth step. Our ninth step is you want to display a meaningful label and select a different layout type category in the cell A3. So we will copy this and we will go to the cell A3 and make this one as a category. Paste it as a category. Change the grand total layout option on the rows only. So change this one on the rows only. So that's our ninth step. Our 10th step is apply light blue pivot style dark 2 and display banded rows. So we will go to the design and what he is asking for pivot style dark 2 blue pivot style dark 2 light blue pivot style dark 2, whereas light blue pivot style we need to select light blue pivot style dark 2 light blue pivot style dark 2. We will go to the where it should be. We need to find light blue. What is the apply light blue pivot style dark 2. So light blue pivot style light blue pivot style dark 2. Light blue pivot style. We need to find light blue, pivot style, what is this? Light blue, pivot style dark 2. We need to find light blue. We need to apply banded rows. That is our banded rows. Light blue, pivot style, that is light 9. Hmm. You will find here light blue, pivot style dark 2, and select this one. That's the gallery, you will find it here. So that's our 10 step. In this assignment we have 20 steps. I have performed 10 steps in this video. If you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, or if you want to know the steps remaining, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can scan my WhatsApp barcode to get access directly to my inbox. And if you like my channel, please subscribe my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.